this! Hi everyone, I'm so excited because today we're going to turn Baby Alive into my favorite princess, Tiana from The Princess and the Frog. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't find a pretty green dress for her, but I did find this child-sized tutu. And we're going to turn this into a dress fit for a princess. First, we'll put the tutu on Tiana. And then we're going to gather the dress to her shoulders and sew it in place. There we go. Wait, this could be better. Let's add some of this green ribbon for a sash around her waist. Now we'll just adjust the dress and perfect! She's so pretty! But we need to fix her hair. Normally I put a wig on Baby Alive, but I think her hair is perfect. We just need to style it. And add a tiara. She's beautiful! She looks just like Princess Tiana! Now let's make her some crazy treats out of Play-Doh. Let's make Dr. Facilier's magic staff. And how about some fireflies, also known as lightning bugs? And Dr. Facilier's shark tooth necklace. Hey, that looks like a well-balanced meal. All right, princess, are you hungry? Let's start with the magic staff. Here you go. Okay, you ate that fast. Excuse me, I think it's time to check the diaper. Oh, wow, it's a frog! But I think there's something on your tummy right there. Let me just find it. Ah, there it is.
Sorry about the whole ripping open your tummy thing, Mr. Frog. No hard feelings, right? Bro code.
It's a Littlest Pet Shop blind bag. It's a princess kitty cat that sits in a princess crown. That's awesome. Okay, I think you should try some fireflies. You know, someday when you get older and turned into a frog, you're gonna love these things. Hey, looks like you love them now too. Awesome! Let's check your diaper. Oh, cool! A Mardi Gras mask! And a blind bag. Plants vs. Zombies! Aw, man, I already have this one. But you know, on the other hand, you can never have too many cabbage shooters to fight off those pesky zombies on your lawn. Are you still hungry, baby Tiana? How about a couple of nice, yummy shark teeth? It's delicious! And, you know, because you're my favorite princess, you should have a necklace for dessert. because when you do, you poop out lily pads with flowers. Aw, it's pretty. And we get a blind bag. And it's my favorite kind, My Little Pony. Yes! We got Twilight Sparkle, one of the coolest ponies to get. I love these glitter ponies because I like sparkly stuff. Wow, guys, this was so awesome! This custom Princess Tiana Baby Alive turned out so beautiful, and she got some great toys to play with too. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe. See you next time. Have a great day.